Hi everybody, Cheryl Knowlton coming at you with some truly dynamite news. A number of years ago when I went to the National Association of Realtors annual convention, I met a woman who totally changed my life. Her name was Sally Hogshead, and you've heard me talk about her book, Fascinate, and her book, How the World Sees You. In almost every class I teach, especially if it is longer than an all-day course, I talk about how you can utilize her amazing book, How the World Sees You, to figure out who you are and how to create an anthem and a brand to speak specifically to who you are at your best. Because real estate agents, let's face it, have a very difficult time being able to figure out how to articulate a brand that encompasses who they actually are very specifically, not rely on their company or even on their team. I am so excited to announce that I finally, after many years of wanting to do this, was accepted into the most recent class to become a certified Fascination advisor. This means that coming soon, I will be able to provide branding workshops for real estate professionals and anyone outside of real estate to figure out who you truly are at your best, the uniqueness that you bring to the table and to the marketplace. In addition, I will also be able to provide branding workshops and team workshops so that you can learn how to leverage the personalities of everyone on the team to bring out the highest and best of everyone on that team. Whether you're in real estate or not, this information is incredibly valuable to anyone in any profession, and I'm so excited to be able to bring it to the market very soon. Stay tuned for more news and info.